If you want to turn static product images like this into a video like this, without uploading any actual video files, here's how to do it in Marpipe. First, make sure you're in video mode. You can switch to it from the top left menu inside the Creative Designer. Now we'll build something simple. Start with your base frame, then we'll duplicate that frame. On that second frame, make a small visual change. For example, we can rotate a badge slightly. Each frame can run for about half a second. When you preview it, that small shift creates motion. And just like that, you've turned a static design into a looping video. It's subtle, but it feels dynamic. And now let's level it up. Instead of just rotating a badge, you can duplicate frames and slightly shift the product image itself. For example, frame 1, product centered. Frame 2, product shifts slightly to the left. Frame 3, alternate images slide into view, and we'll set each frame to about 0.25 to 0.5 seconds. Then make sure your final frame visually matches your first frame. That way it loops perfectly. This works great for PLV and ad platforms that support video placements like Meta. No raw video files required, just smart frame duplication and small visual changes. That's how you turn catalog images into engaging, product-led videos inside Marpipe.